Hey poopers, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I'm making a combination Italian beef. It's a Chicago thing. I'm getting my Italian beef, it's a bottom round. I'm made of paste out of cannabis oil, KIEF, dried oregano, dried basil, dried marjoram, salt, pepper, a little bit of lemon juice I squeezed in there. And then I got it on all sections, okay? I'm gonna put this guy down for 2 hours, taking it off, then I'm putting it in the oven in broth in a type of Italian style gravy. It's thin, it's like an au jus. Then I'm gonna take the net off and I'm gonna cut it like Italian beef you'd get on Taylor Street in Chicago, okay? So, and that would be about 1800 south, all right? So, hang loose, poopers. I'll show you this in about 2 hours and then we'll go inside. Thanks for joining us here on hashtag straight poop. Hey guys, welcome back. After 2 hours, this is what we got. I put two switches, tart cherry on there, and I let him take up some smoke. So I'm gonna get him off of there. He's got some red blood coming through there, and that's good. That's gonna add to the sauce for the Italian beef, or the gravy. Getting him off here, gonna put him in that broth, taking off the net, slicing it. Okay, we'll be right back. Thanks for joining us here at hashtag straight poop. I got my Italian beef smoke roasted. Took it off the grill, got that twine off of it, sliced it, put in a little broth, okay, with cannabis oil and some other spices like salt and pepper, okay, a little bit of garlic. I took a yellow bell pepper, okay, and I sliced it and I browned it in cannabis oil and salt, and that's what we have here, okay. Price on that for red pepper, green or orange was the same thing, so why not add color? Looks better on the video. I think it tastes better. It's sweeter. It's longer on the vine. That's why a green pepper turns into a red pepper, turns into an orange pepper, a yellow pepper, a blah 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 pepper, okay? So that's what we have, man. Easy recipe, super easy, super to do. You know, when you slice it, put in some beef broth, and make sure it doesn't turn, you know, the pink is still there, okay? Just make sure of that. It only takes a few seconds. So that's about it here on hashtag straight poop. And make sure you grab your free e-cookbook. It's at the comment section, pinned. Okay, my dogs love having you here, of course. You're their special guests, okay? So, if you're waiting on us, you're loving. We'll see you next time here on hashtag straight poop. See ya, poopers. Hang loose.